We're gonna go 18 for 18 on aces. Time for some epic disc golf B-roll. Let's see if I can not be terrible. I'm terrible. So we're out here playing disc golf, and it's me and my cousin Grayson. The plan is to get some epic B-roll shots of us discing it. So be on the lookout. I think I kind of tore my shoulder out of socket on that one. My arm hurts now. I don't see where my disc went, but I think it went in the hole. Oh, there it is. It's in the hole. I found it. Let's see if we can't chuck it into the water here. Woo! Oh, this is the one where I almost lost my livelihood last time I was here. It's getting colder every minute, every second. Oh, it's actually not that bad. I can putt from there. This is easy money. Oh. I've been doing terrible, so I'm no longer documenting the disc golf adventures, and it's just gonna be epic B-roll from here on out. Here we go. Shot right here. First throw. Hey, you want to play round two? Alright, so we just got done, and this is actually two different locations and 2 different days, but we didn't get enough footage the first day to make the cool B-roll, so I decided to get as much footage as I can to make it as cool as I can. And one of the reasons it wasn't very cool is because, well, at least the first time I went out, I didn't get enough shots moving the camera, and the key for me, I think a big key to getting good B-roll is moving the camera, and I got too many shots last time just like sitting on the tripod, because it's hard to film yourself and someone else and play disc and actually try to be good with people around and people coming after you and going before you and trying to beat the daylight, which we're about to not beat. But anyway, we're gonna take off, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and like the video if you like the video, and comment that you like the video, and comment and tell me that you're subscribing after you like the video, and subscribe and like the video and comment and subscribe. See you next time. Hopefully they didn't lock us in the park. But they probably did.
I gotta take a leak real quick.
Look at Mr. Chumpenstein. We're supposed to be leaving the park right now. They're probably locking up the gates. He's over here taking a sweet time. Can't tell if he's taking a dump behind this tree or not. Looks like he is. Actually call this park Pervert Park. And it's getting dark. So Herbert the Pervert himself is probably coming out. Time to take off. We're out.